Dear students, the word partial pressure and vapor pressure. Do you know any difference between these two words? Okay. Partial pressure is the pressure of the solutions, including gas in liquid, like carbonated drinks. And vapor pressure is the pressure exerted by vapors of the liquid solution. Or the volatile components of the solution. So in case of the solutions in which solute and solvent both are liquid, vapor pressure is there, and if the solute is gas and solvent is liquid, partial pressure is there. Next question is, if benzene treated with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid, it will form HCOCl, or the formylation of benzene. Then product will be benzaldehyde. But if the methyl benzene is treated with CrO2Cl2, this is chromyl chloride. Methyl benzene treated with chromyl chloride also gives benzaldehyde. But the name of reaction that you have to remember here is Itard reaction. In case of methyl benzene and Gutermann-Koch reaction for the formylation reaction of benzene. This word Gutermann-Koch, Koch refers to the word or the letter CHO. CHO gives aldehyde or the aldehyde product. So must remember the difference between these two reactions. Moving towards the next reaction, that is started from alkyl halide along with potassium hydroxide. If the normal potassium hydroxide is taken, then this reaction follows nucleophilic displacement or substitution, where X will be displaced by OH and potassium combines with X. Let us have example. Then what will be the product? This is ethanol that will be prepared from bromoethane, and the side product will be caviar. But if it will be taken alcoholic. Alcoholic potassium hydroxide will give a different product. Suppose you have alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Let us have the example CS3CH2 Br along with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. There is an elimination of potassium bromide and elimination of water by putting carbon carbon double bond. This reaction is the beta elimination reaction. Beta elimination reaction, where the removal of hydrogen takes place. It means dehydrohalogenation reaction. We can say it as dehydrohalogenation. Removal of hydrogen is the dehydrogenation and removal of halogen is the dehalogenation. Combination of the hydrogen and halogen is dehydrohalogenation. So we can say beta elimination as dehydrohalogenation. It can be possible only in the presence of alcoholic KOH. So must remember the point of difference between these two reactions having the same substrate and reagent, but only the reaction condition is different to go with the products. Now an important reaction, that is CS3 CH3 Br tertiary butyl bromide with sodium methoxide. Then you have to complete the reaction. In this reaction, first of all you have to go with charge separation. This is metal having positive charge. This is halogen having negative charge. Now you have to find the breakdown of this alkyl halide and formation of the carbocation. If tertiary carbocation is there, that is most reactive carbocation and get stable easily. So it will form the alkene. Suppose this sodium bromide is formed here and this CS3 OCS3 contains oxygen atom act as nucleophile. This nucleophile abstract a proton as electrophile from this carbocation. From this carbocation, abstraction of proton can be possible. Suppose one of the hydrogen of this CS3 molecule releases H positive ion and there will be the shift of double bond here and it will give CH3C CH3 double bond CH2. This is 2-methyl propene. This is 2-methyl propene along with NaBr as well as CH3OH. This is the most important reaction. Suppose you are given CS3 thrice ONA with CS3Br, then what will be the product? So we can't go with the breakdown of this bond because Na positive, Br negative, NaBr will be the byproduct, and this oxygen negative combines with CS3. So CH3O C CS3 thrice. This will be the product. So must remember the product of this reaction. When will be the breakdown of the bond of carbon to form the carbocation? If primary alkyl halide is there, formation of ether takes place. If tertiary carbocation, if tertiary alkyl halide is there, then formation of alkene is formed. Formation of alkene is formed in case of tertiary alkyl halide. Must remember this point. One of the most common reaction asked in the NEET exam also. Let us apply this reaction in another example. You have to answer in comment section. This is a compound which is ether. This part is R O R along with HI. So what are the possible products of this reaction? Write down your answer in comment section. Hope so you will find easily the desired answer.